Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Payoneer business login issues, verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Payoneer, particularly start by ensuring that you have the correct login credentials. Double check your email address and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will receive an email to reset your password. Follow the instructions provided in the email. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again. If you're still facing verification errors, it's time to check your account status. Log in to your Payoneer account using any device. Navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your account is fully verified. Look for any notifications that might indicate pending actions. If your account shows that it needs additional verification, follow the prompts provided. Prepare any required identification documents. Submit these documents through your Payoneer account. Be patient as Payoneer reviews your documents. Once your account is verified, try logging in again. If you continue to face issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Attempt to log in once more. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You may also want to disable any VPN service if you are using one. If you are still unable to access your account, contact Payoneer customer support. Visit the official Payoneer support page for assistance. Provide detailed information about your issue when contacting support. Be prepared to verify your identity during the support process. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.